Hi, this is Kishore Kumar. Python 3. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. To understand what the Python programming language, let's start from most important 6 frequently asked questions, which is helpful to understand about Python programming language. This tutorial is for the basic concepts. First, frequently asked question, what is Python? Everybody may ask, what is Python? Python is an interpreted, interactive, object-oriented programming language. It incorporates modules, exceptions, dynamic typing, very high-level dynamic data types, and classes. It has a very clear syntax. It has interfaces to many system calls and libraries, as well as to various Windows systems, and it is extensible in C or C++. It is also usable as an extension language for applications that need a programmable interface. Finally, Python is portable. It runs on many Unix variants on the Mac and on Windows 2000 and later versions. So this is the what is the Python. Now next see the frequently asked question is, what is Python good for? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language that can be applied to many different classes of problems. The Python programming language comes with a large standard library. It covers areas such as string processing, that is regular expressions, Unicode, calculating differences between files. Next, it covers internet protocols, HTTP, FTP, SMTP, XML, RPC, POP, IMAP, CGI programming. It covers the software engineering also, unit testing, in that it tests the unit logging, profiling, parsing Python code, and it covers the Python programming covers operating system interfaces such as system calls, file systems, TCP/IP sockets. It has a wide variety of third-party extensions are also available in Python programming. The next question is why is it called Python? Actually, the Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. When he began implementing Python, he used to read Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a BBC comedy series in the 1970s. He thought that he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious. So he decided to call this language as Python. Now see that comedy program. This is the Monty Python's Flying Circus. This is the series of BBC comedy series in 1970s. Guido van Rossum used to read the scripts of this comedy circus. So he decided to naming this programming as Python. Next, Next question is the how stable is Python? Actually, the Python is very stable because the stable releases it releases roughly 6 to 18 months. Every 6 to 18 months, a new stable version is coming from the python.org. Since 1991, they are used to release the new versions. Currently, there are usually around 18 months between major releases. The developers issues bug fix releases of older versions. So the stability of existing releases gradually improves. Bug fix releases indicated by a third component of the version number like 3.5.3 and 3.6.2 are managed for stability. Here 3 is the bug fix release and 2 is the bug fix release for the stability of the programming language. Only fixes for known problems are included in a bug fix release, and it's guaranteed that interfaces will remain the same throughout a series of bug fix releases. The latest stable release can always be found on the Python's website www.python.org. Next question is which one would you recommend, Python 2.x or Python 3.x? Actually, there are two production ready version of Python 2.x and 3.x, but we are recommending Python 3.x. Although Python 2.x is still widely used, it will not be maintained after January 1st, 2020. Python 2.x was known for having more third-party libraries available. However, by the time of this writing, most of the widely used libraries support Python 3.x, and some are even dropping the Python 2.x support. So last question, it is very important. Is Python a good language for beginner programmers? Yes, it is still common to start students with a procedural and statically typed language such as Pascal, C, or subset of C++ or Java. Students may be better served by learning Python as their first language. Python has a very simple and consistent syntax and a large standard library. And most importantly, using Python in beginning programming courses lets students concentrate on important programming skills such as problem decomposition and data type design. With Python, students can be quickly introduced to basic concepts such as loops and procedures. They can probably even work with user-defined objects in their very first course. Many other aspects of Python make it a good first language like Java. Python has a large standard library so that students can be assigned programming projects very early in the course. Assignments are not restricted to the standard 4-function calculator and check balancing programming programs. By using the standard library, students can gain the satisfaction of working on realistic applications as they learn the fundamental of programming. Using the standard library also teaches students about code reuse. Third-party modules such as Pygame are also helpful in extending the student's reach. Python's interactive interpreter enables students to test language features while they are programming. They can keep a window with the interpreter running while they enter their program source in another window. Okay friends, in the next tutorial we are going to learn about the overview of Python 3. If you like these tutorials, please subscribe this channel. You may share with your friends if you like it. Thank you for watching. Please see this tutorial lesson available in PDF file. Link is given in the description. Please download it for the reading. Signing off, Kishore Kumar Vaja.